Divergence is a disagreement between the price action on the main chart and the window indicator. And basically we have two types of divergence. We have the regular and the hidden divergence. And in the regular divergence, we have the bullish and the bearish. In our previous video, we've identified and also established what is divergence and how we can identify divergence. So in this video, we are looking at how do we make entry trading divergence. This particular trade is based on divergence. And how do I know this? When we use our crosshair, look at our first point on our chart. Here is our first point, and on the indicator window, here is our first point, and on our chart, that particular point where the commodity channel index is touching level 10, this is the point on our main chart. Then afterward, this is point 2, and here is our commodity channel index. So if we connect this together, this point together, you will notice this one, this is a divergence. Why? Because price is making a lower low while the indicator window is making a higher low. So there is a disagreement between our indicator window and our main chart, and as such a divergence is established. So how do we make entry in trading this divergence? If we move to our 15-minute time frame, this is the scenario that we have on this time frame. Even on our 15-minute time frame, the divergence also plays out. Here to this point. And when you look at our indicator window, you realize that we are having an equal low. The commodity channel index is giving us an equal low. So you can see this point is this point. So this particular point is this point, while this point is this point. So there is a disagreement between the main chart and the indicator window. Main chart is giving us a lower low. This indicator window is giving us an equal low. So a divergence is established. Now, how do we make our entry? It is very much simple. Pick up your trend line and connect your points. You agree with me that these points are connected. So we have our trend line connecting our point A, point B, and you can see the trend line all the way to this down point. So now that that is in place, what do I want to see? I want to see price break out of this trend line to establish for me that the divergence is about to change direction. And as for me, you can see this trend line break out of it, pull back, retest this trend line, and then it begins to move to the upside. So when I see that this particular candle followed by this one push above this bearish candle, I make my entry, and that is the trade for you. You can see how this particular trade is playing out, and it plays out beautifully well. So this is how I will trade my divergence. So this is how to find entry, this is how to trade divergence. You can see the sniper entry, very perfect sniper entry with minimal risk, and we are on our way to the upside. So let's move further to see where else we can spot divergence. And see how this divergence can be traded. Great. Here we have a similar example. And this, you can see this loop carefully. See this point where we have this, right? And then we have this. And then this. So if we connect our line now, you realize that this is like this. And this is a bit of a reverse order. So we have this connecting these 2 points together, and then we have this connecting these 2 points together. So now, and then you can see how beautiful this particular trade plays out. So now, how do we make entry trading this? Price has been coming down. Look at this. Price took away this high. This high was broken. So this is a break of structure. This high was broken. This is a BOS, a break of structure. And when we have a break of structure, price changes direction. And not alone the price changes direction, after this we have a pin bar candlestick formation. So this is another way you spot the divergence, and then you have this bullish candle, then this pin bar formation. And if we look back critically, great, price is in an uptrend. Connect our trend line. You can see this price already made this first touch, and then this divergence gave us a second entry of our trend line. So price went, break this structure, pull back here, and then this is another entry for us. You can see how it went up. Another way to do this, you can put your Fibonacci. So price pull back to 61.08, optimum trade entry point, and boom, to the upside with our divergence validating our entry. So you can see how great our divergence was. So for every change of trade direction, a divergence always and will always plays out. Okay, even in this scenario, we have a divergence. Look at what happens here. And what the chart is doing. Can you see that? While price keep falling down, the indicator window is doing the opposite. And after all, price change direction. So you can see how price is buying to the upside. So this is how simple. Look at before this sell. You notice? You see this and this. Great, right? So this is how simple we can take advantage of this. Okay, if we go to our lower time frame, we will see where they break and retest before falling down. So this is how you can find your entry trading this great, simple and straightforward strategy, the divergence. And I believe you have learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the subsequent video.